So we absolutely love the Cybertruck. Everything about it, amazing. It's different, it's polarizing, that's why I love it. But there's one thing I absolutely hate about it, and that's all the plastic trim. It scratches really easily here in Colorado where we get snow, mag chloride, salt. It leaves a bunch of deposits on it. It's not necessarily the easiest to clean after a while. So today we're actually going to be covering every exterior piece of plastic you can see on this truck with the Abstract Ocean XPEL Armor Protection Kits. We have an entire box full of every single piece they sell. So let's talk about it. So they actually use the XPEL armor, which is exclusive to Abstract Ocean, and it is the toughest protection film available anywhere. They have a bunch of videos online checking it out, and we'll put it to the test a little bit too. But some of the specs are, it is a 23 mil thickness. It does have a textured satin black finish, which is very similar to like a truck bed material, like a spray and liner, something like that you may have seen on a different truck. And it's resistant to UV, grease, tar, dirt, oil, basically anything it can come in contact with. So we're gonna be putting that to the test. It is very nice out today. We got our shorts on, but more snow is in the forecast here. So we're gonna be putting this to the test. But we have every single piece, like I said. We actually already put some up on the bed of the truck, but we have the interior of the bed, the rocker panels, the full front bumper kit, the full rear bumper kit, the roof trim, the wheel arches, we have the wheel flares, we have the front lip right here because loading in and out, I can already tell I have scratches on here. The wheel decals, light protection, both the front and the rear, and we even have this really cool product they now have. It is a super hydrophobic camera cover for the rear. We'll kind of put them side by side here. With this on that rear camera, it is less likely to get dirty, mucky, anything like that. So I'm super excited for this. They actually started producing these for like the Y, the 3 and stuff back in the day, and they've been such a hit. And I absolutely love them. So I'm super excited they now have a Cybertruck version available. But let's go ahead and get installing. So we have officially finished the Cybertruck in the armor. So let's go ahead and walk through it. First off, I've been living with it for a few days now. You can actually see this is some like dirt and stuff like that on this. But I wanted to show you how easy it is to actually clean. So this is honestly just some alcohol that I used to clean a lot of this beforehand. And when we do this, it literally looks like new, unlike the plastic that's underneath. When it gets dirty, it like really shows a lot of lines and stuff. I have some footage kind of before I cleaned it, and it just didn't look good. We did do all this here on the front, so that will really provide a lot of scratch resistance when we're loading stuff in and out, because we have it all along here. Then after that, we did all these wheel arches like this. They came out really, really nice. We actually did the entire running board as well, and you can't even see that seam right there, can you? Didn't think so. But we got the whole running board, including the top part. So when you open the door, you have that here as well. So that will just add extra protection there. We've got that wheel arch right there. We've got the entire rear bumper, so it does like the top surface, the side surfaces, even does some under here, all of that. And it just looks so good. They did such a great job with like the measurements and the cuts and everything. It does not go around the radius like this, just because this material is so thick, it's hard to stick to that. And then on the back here, we did the PPF, the mat on the entire light bar, including the two side pieces. Then we did that armor on this top piece because it gets scratched really easily on all these sail pieces. On this, which is actually a metal piece, but better to protect it, and all of this. And this is actually like a gloss piece for some reason, so definitely want to protect that. But honestly, one of the things I'm most excited about is in the bed here. So we have these pieces all along the side here. So we have the one piece there, and then several pieces along there. You can see my tonneau cover has been leaking. Tesla ordered some new parts to fix it, so hopefully eventually. But that entire piece is all covered. The little down below, the middle, and the top, and then on the sides here. So this will really help protect everything in the bed. And really, this piece right here is all one piece. So it really wasn't that hard to do, but it just like looks so much better. And it's just protected, and that's really kind of what we were after with this product. And last but certainly not least, we have the front bumper. So it does where the license plate holder goes, the top horizontal surface, the vertical surfaces. We've got here, even down here where your speaker is. We got the mud guards, even along this entire front lip. So anything that hits it will keep it more protected. And it just came out so good. This was more of a very quick install guide and more of a how it holds up and how it looks. Honestly, the install was super easy. The Cybertruck, even the bumpers and everything are very flat. If you do it in a little bit of sun, that's definitely going to help. I did part of it today, actually finished up in the shade, and it worked just fine. But that being said, definitely don't do it if it's like super cold, because this material will be a lot tougher to kind of manipulate. But a little bit of sun goes a long way. It was only about 40-50 degrees today, but with the sun, it worked beautifully. And if you want to see more in-depth install videos for each different piece, I'll go ahead and link it all down below for Abstract Ocean's website. And they have a very in-depth video for each like section you can buy, showing you exactly how to put it on and everything. And that really did help, but honestly, it is very, very easy to do yourself. Let me know down below what you think about it and what your favorite kit is, and if you're thinking about doing something like this to your Cybertruck. Now, there's definitely some kits that I would find more important if you couldn't do them all, but it really depends on what's best for you. For me, I wanted the whole thing done because I hate this plastic when it gets a little dirty. They do use some harsh chemicals here in Colorado, and it just doesn't look good after a while. So this will make it look good continually until we get a new front and rear bumper and side skirts and get rid of all the plastic altogether. This will at least keep it lasting and looking its best. Huge thanks to Abstract Ocean, though, for sponsoring this video. If you're looking to accessorize your model SX3Y, Cybertruck, New Y, any of that, definitely check them out. I'll link down below. And we'll go ahead and link all these kits for the XPEL armor down below as well, so you can go ahead and check them out. And using code Tesla Inventory will get you 15% off of your first purchase. As always, though, a thumbs up if you enjoyed that video. Go and click here to subscribe here for some ones. We'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.